Okay, I'm going to prove it with my fever recognition. I don't know if I did that. There, I proved the food and shelter and schooling and things they need, blankets and different things to get a society together for certain creatures so we are not at war underworld, because I don't want to be war with you. I'm missing from the underworld, and you knew me. So why have a war? So, and also, if they can learn to generate their own income, or a trading society, whatever society that they think they need. But I want my, so I'm missing from 8 palaces no matter what, on different countries. In my inheritance, I'm supposed to inherit the throne of those countries, or I'm missing as the inherited throne bearer, which means I own the throne and I own the country's wealth in certain locations, to start their own little kingdoms of people or something, to have their own locations with stores created to generate hotels, restaurants. And if they're more animal than human, meaning they don't understand English, and maybe to learn if they're talking animals, like Narnia, where I'm missing from, to have a life where they don't have to hide, where they don't have to become a smaller nose to enter our society. They can be themselves and have a beautiful society with showers and baths and everything that they need. And I am a homeless person, but I am the heiress to the throne, and that I am a missing person heiress that already received the coronation as queen in several countries. But I'm missing is Princess Julia Constantine. I'm now named Julie Shalali. September 14th, 2016 is the year. September the month, 14 is the day.